In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of LinkedIn from other devices. This guide will help ensure your account's security, especially if you've accessed your LinkedIn profile from different devices or shared computers. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to LinkedIn's website. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the LinkedIn URL. Once there, you should see the Sign In button prominently displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that to enter your credentials and log in to your LinkedIn account. If you haven't already created a LinkedIn account, you'll need to do that first to follow along with this guide. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the LinkedIn homepage. This is where you'll typically see updates from your connections, company news, and other related content. From here, look towards the top of the screen and locate your profile photo or the Me icon, usually located at the far right of the navigation bar. Click on it to drop down a menu. In this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on that option and a new page will open displaying a variety of settings related to your LinkedIn profile. Here, you'll find various tabs that manage different aspects of your account, such as Account, Privacy, Ads, and Communications. Focus your attention on the Account tab, where you'll see another section, Sign In and Security. Click on this option. This is an important step because it's where you'll be able to manage how and where you're logged into LinkedIn from other devices. Under the Sign In and Security section, look for an option called Where You're Signed In. Clicking this will provide a list of all the devices that currently have an active session with your LinkedIn account. Each listed session will have details such as the device name, location, and the date and time of the last activity. To sign out from any of these sessions, all you need to do is locate the session you want to terminate and click the Sign Out button next to it. A quick and effective way to maintain control over your account security is by signing out of any sessions that seem unfamiliar or simply aren't needed anymore. And there you have it. You've just learned how to log out of LinkedIn from other devices. This process is crucial in maintaining your account's security and ensuring that your LinkedIn presence is never compromised. Be sure to repeat these steps regularly, especially if you're logging into public computers or sharing devices. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.